Hi all, my name is Kim Walls. I am a wellness advocate with dōTERRA International as well as a registered nurse during the day. About 4 years ago, I was introduced to essential oils when I had a illness with my oldest son that we were dealing with. At the time, he was 1.5 years old, and as a mom and a nurse, I was really quite devastated when they told me if they couldn't get him under control quickly, that they were going to have to mechanically breathe for him or put him on a ventilator. I felt pretty much defeated because everything that I believed in wasn't working. So I had a really crazy friend, and I decided, you know what, this is that moment that I'm desperate, so I'll go ahead and give her a call and see what she's got. And I am so blessed that I have this crazy friend because she has changed our lives. She has changed how we look at healthcare in our family, and she has changed how hundreds of my friends are looking at healthcare in their families. And now we are even looking at healthcare in additional areas such as doctors' practices and things of that sort. So it's just amazing. So over the next hour, we're just going to talk about what essential oils are, who dōTERRA is. We will talk about our top 10 oils as well. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments. If I can't answer right now, it may take me a few minutes to look up an answer, but I will definitely get back to you. And you could also feel free to private message me if the question you have is of the personal nature and you don't want to share it on this board. So I'm just going to go ahead and start right away with what is an essential oil. Essential oils are natural aromatic compounds, and we get those from everything in nature. So any plant that we use as an essential oil, we can get it from the leaves, the bark, the fruit. Some are even from the roots. So it's really very wide where we can get our oils from. And nature actually uses these essential oils as their defense mechanism. So it helps protect them from the elements and diseases. And our body chemistries, our cell structure is not exactly the same, but it is fairly similar. So our bodies are actually able to use essential oils like a plant can, which is really pretty awesome. The other amazing thing about essential oils is that one essential oil can have 100 or more chemical constituents, meaning that unlike a drug that can only work for one specific issue, or maybe two at the most, these can work on hundreds of different issues within our bodies and on our skin, as well as within our emotions. So that's one of my favorite ways to use our essential oils, is actually for emotional use. So that is what an essential oil is, and we will pick up here in the next video talking about some of the other benefits of essential oils, and then we will move, and dōTERRA, and then we will move into the top 10 oils. So again, please feel free to ask any questions you have. I look forward to working with you over the next hour.